Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create sponsored display ads over the Amazon. Right, so first of all you have to just go to the Amazon ads, and here you have to go to this small business. Once you go to here, you will find here, let me show you, in the ad products this is called sponsored display. So you have to just click on this, and once you click on this you can see that who can use sponsored display. This first one is, it is also available for the customers who want to purchase it over the Amazon shopping app, or for the businesses that don't sell it over the Amazon store. For currently right now it is in the beta version. Earlier it was only available for the Amazon customers or Amazon sellers, right? So but right now it is available for everyone. So if you want to go deeper, you have to click on get started, right? You can also click on from here. Now here, if you want to create a sponsor ad, if you are really a small business and if you just want to create ad for yourself, then just click on sponsor ads. But if you want to create ads for a company, or if you're agency, or if you want to create for somebody else, then you have to be create a manager account, right? So we'll just choose a country here. So for example, let's say that I want to do it over the United States. And once we do here, you can see yeah, right, and here what will you advertise, and you can just read here. And once you read here, product and service not sold on, or just product sold on Amazon. So I will just go for this because, and once you click on this, then it will ask you that how you are going to sign in. So if you have a seller central account, it is only for the sellers who sell their products over the Amazon, right? And this is a vendor central, same thing. Author central account, if you have any of this one account, you can just use it to sign in. If you don't have, then if you also have a Prime Amazon or something, you can also use that. But I have none of this, so I'll just click on none of this, right? And here we have to create an account. So once we create an account, it will give us to let's just log in, and then you can just create an ad with it, right? So it's pretty easy. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.